In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Wrike effectively and efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a project manager, a team member, or using Wrike for personal productivity, mastering the search function can save you a lot of time and hassle as you navigate through your tasks and projects. To begin, you'll want to visit wrike.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the login button located conveniently at the upper right corner. Click on this button to log in using your email. If you're already familiar with the platform, this should be a breeze. However, if you're new, make sure you have your login credentials ready for a smooth experience. After logging in, focus your attention on the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Here you'll find the search icon. Clicking on this icon will open up the search box, which is your gateway to finding anything within your workspace quickly. Now that the search box is open, think about what you're looking for. You can type in an item's name, a person's name, use specific keywords, or even an ID number associated with a task or project. This flexibility is particularly helpful if you're dealing with a large amount of data scattered across various projects and folders. As you type, a list of potential matches will start to appear. Simply select the item you're looking for from this list once it pops up. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Searching in a comprehensive tool like Wrike means results are organized, and sometimes the perfect match isn't listed at the top. In such cases, you'll want to click on Show More. This option expands your search results, revealing additional matches across various categories. It's a nifty feature that ensures you cover all possibilities and don't miss any relevant items. If you're still not finding what you're looking for, try pressing Enter or clicking the search icon after entering your keyword. This action will display a full list of tasks and items that match your search criteria, ensuring you have all the information you need at your fingertips. Wrike by default performs a comprehensive search across your entire workspace. However, if you start the search while you're within a specific folder, project, or space, you can narrow your results by using the tabs located under the search field. This way you can filter results to display content only from your current folder, project, or space, making your search even more precise. And that's it! With these steps, you're now equipped to navigate the vast landscape of Wrike using the search feature. This should enhance your productivity and ensure nothing important slips through the cracks. Thanks for joining me today, and happy searching.